All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Thanks so much for subscribing to this channel. Our prayer has been that the good Lord will continue to support you all in all your endeavors. Well, my people, Yoruba Nation are going back, and exactly what it is, exactly what the people are still talking about. Well, my people, majority of things are actually happening at this time. Should we call this time a perilous time? It's so serious. Well, majority of things though had been said. And then this time around, I think this is the time the Yoruba nation agitators need to be closer to God, be prayerful. There's nothing God cannot do. The Yorubas are loving people, they are God fearing people, they are so accommodating, nice set of people. But this time around, a lot of things are going wrong in the society, in fact, in the Yoruba states, and of which the Fulanis are planning to take over their land, of which this set of people are not bad people, they are good people. But it's a pity this is actually happening. Well, the truth of the matter is, the good Lord will continue to help us and support us in the movement. Well, amidst Yoruba Nation's declaration, and Professor Akintoye on this one just sent fresh message to all Yoruba Nation agitators. The independence celebration for Nigeria is tomorrow, and this time around, the Yoruba Nation agitator have made us understand that they are a nation on their own. Nothing concern Yoruba Nation with Nigeria independence and the rest of it. Well, meanwhile, Professor Banji Akitole just sends a fresh message onto this, that tomorrow, which is 1st of October, that the Yoruba Nation agitators will have to come out, come together to pray for the actualization of Yoruba Nation. Yes, so and then this time around, he has said a lot of things that everybody needs to be very prayerful, that Yoruba nation must be achieved. And he said a lot of things concerning the people who had been beefing themselves. This set of fake agitators who have been beefing themselves, that is uncalled for. To the extent some of them are even sending police to arrest each other. It's too bad. That this is not the time for the Yoruba Nation movement or the agitators to now be quarreling with themselves. And it shows that this set of people that are quarreling, they are not the genuine Yoruba Nation agitators. Simply because, this time around, there should be more of concentration. It's not a time for some set of people to now be distracting the other, which will not be taken. All right, and he has said that this set of people have been cited to be fake agitators, because we see no reason why you now be fighting somebody who is telling you the truth, who is actually supporting the movement. That is to tell you that you are a devil yourself. So in that case, you have to leave the movement and let us know the people who are actually ready to take Yoruba Nation to the next level. And then, according to Professor Banji Akintoye, he has said that, well, God love Yoruba Nation, and God has destined that Yoruba Nation will be actualized, and that is why God has been helping the people up till now. Well, he is with the Yoruba Nation, according to Professor Banji Akito. He said God is with Yoruba Nation, and then anyone who had been sending curses, who have been trying to destroy the movement, the plans that the movement has, that such a person will be destroyed. In fact, back to the sender, according to Professor Banji Akintoye, and he has said that fear not, nobody should be scared of anything. That fear not, because God is with you. The God that the Yoruba Nation agitators have is bigger than the God of the enemy of Yoruba Nation. They may try, with all their weapons, at the end of it all, they will still get destroyed. That is what God has said. Well, and then as it stands, according to Professor Banji Akintoye, he has said a lot of things, and he has used this opportunity to glorify God. And then according to him, he said, if you are a Muslim, try as much as possible to pray very well in your pattern. If you are a Christian, you should also try the endeavor to pray very well in a Christian way. And if you are the Onisheshe, that you yourself should try your best to do the needful according to your programs. All right, and then onto this, Professor Banji Akintoye had advised everyone to remain focused, that in no time Yoruba nation will definitely be actualized, either the devil likes it or not. And then onto this, he has said that tomorrow, which is 1st of October, that everyone should come out and begin to pray in this aspect, that God is always there to answer prayers, either they like it or not. God will answer the prayers of the Yoruba nation agitator. Seems this set of people are actually doing this with one mind, one heart, and definitely God is in the system. God will surely vindicate the Yorubas, and exactly what Professor Banji Akintoye said so far onto this, that this is a special message for everyone, that October 1st, it should be a day to set aside to pray for Yoruba nation movement, so that things will keep working out. And then exactly what we are actually praying about. A lot of people have given us a lot of rumors, but one thing we understand is that there is God in heaven who is actually ready to save the Yoruba people. Either they like it or not, the Fulanis are of the opinion that they have caged everywhere. That all these people that are shouting they want to have mega rally, they should just prepare themselves, because the soldiers will come out and deal with them. And then the kind of soldier that will be coming out, they are not even the main Nigerian soldiers, but the Fulani soldiers. Hey, Baba God, now your hand with it. That if they like it or not, they should just get themselves prepared, because they are fully ready. But one thing we have known for sure is that if this sort of people can be can be exposed by this time, this is to tell you that God is bigger than them. This is to tell you that the Yoruba people definitely have won the battle, because right now they have been exposed. Every of their trick is being exposed. So I don't see any new thing of which God had made them to expose themselves, and exactly what it is onto this. Well, according to Professor Banji Akintoye, he had been able to let us understand that peace should reign amongst the agitators. This is not the time to quarrel. And tomorrow, being 1st of October, every agitator will come out in any form they can pray. They should pray for the actualization of Yoruba nation, and so that at the end of it all enemies will be put to shame. And exactly his words are exactly the message onto this one. What more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take on this, my people, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you are new on this channel. All right, thanks and God bless.